We are here at Jeffrey Baker's home at 5785 South Bend Lane, Olive Branch, Mississippi. We are going to attempt to make a repair on this roof. There is a lot of damage on this roof, widespread, but we are going to see if repairing and replacing this shingle, if these shingles can comply with the repair and actually be a suitable repair to bring the insured back to their prior condition before the loss. We'll start by unsealing the shingle, the Windcrete shingle, already unsealed. All right, we got a bad tear there. Unsealing it. Came up pretty good. Start there. There. Bad tear there. Another bad tear there. And another little tear here. That should be all the shingles we need to unseal to get the nails out. Which that's a staple. So let's see where they're at. Definitely popped through the shingles. Let's see, where are we hung up at? Here. Should come on out there. Well, got another one somewhere. Oh, right there. Can't really hold that up without tearing it to get the nail, the fastener. Let's do it as possible. The other shingle comes right out. Let's get our replacement in here. Oh man, way too long. Way too long. That must mean that these shingles aren't available or on the market to make a repair with. Let's see. Can we put that underneath somehow? Okay. Let's see. And the overhang is way longer. So in order to make this shingle a repair, I'm gonna have to cut it all the way across right here. And in doing so, there's a sealant strip right here for these little tabs. I'm gonna have to cut that sealant strip off. And underneath, there's the sealant strip right there. So I'm gonna cut maybe even up to half of that off. So now there's nothing left to seal it with, along with, where's my chalk? My pocket. Along with this tear, this tear, this tear, that tear, some other tears somewhere, right there, that tear, this tear, let's see, yeah, that's hail damage right there, that's hail damage right there. This repair test is gonna fail all of the tears. It's not that the shingle, it's not the age, the wear, tear, or deterioration that caused that. I was making a repair as outlined in the repair estimate, and in trying to do so, the shingles cannot withstand a repair. So we cannot do a repair here. We've got to replace this entire roof. And because while making this repair, all this damage was created, it now becomes part of the direct loss. It's inevitable. We cannot prevent this from happening in making repairs. Then it becomes part of the direct loss.